Hello dear student, you are most welcome in my online class. मैं इंसान अली लेक्चरर सुभागी देवी माध्यमिक विद्यालय इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेज इलाहाबाद महाराजगंज. Before this my online class, in my previous class for class 9 and 10 English grammar, you have read about interrogative sentence. And before reading this chapter, please take some light in my previous online class interrogative sentence. Suppose that if anybody says he eats guava, and if anybody said that please convert this sentence into interrogative, so it is present indefinite. Does he eat guava? In this way, you have to convert this affirmative into interrogative. And suppose that if anybody inquires this, suppose that if anybody inquires it and you have to answer, then your answer will be yes or no. And if you say yes, he eats guava. And suppose that if your answer is no, then no, he does not eat guava. It will be perhaps your answer. So come to the new point, new topic. Chapter 8, tense, forms and uses. First of all, you have to know about forms of the verb. Forms of the verb. How many forms of the verb? Then your answer will be verbs present form. Whom you call first form. Suppose that go is the verb first part, past form. Whom you call second form. As well as who went. And after then past participle. Past participle. Whom you call verbs third form. Gone. And after then you will find also a type of verb whom you call present participle. Present participle. Verbs first form. Verbs first form plus ing. Go is verbs first form, and if you add ing, going. So in this way, verbs present form first form, verbs past form second form, verbs past participle verbs third form, and verbs present participle verbs first form plus ing. Here are some examples. I write a letter. I wrote a letter. I shall write a letter. I write a letter in Hindi. मैं एक पत्र लिखता हूँ. I wrote a letter. मैं एक पत्र लिखता था. I shall write a letter in Hindi. मैं एक पत्र लिखूंगा. So write in first sentence, wrote in second sentence, shall write in third sentence. Here present, here past, and here future. So in this way we can say that there are three types of tense in chapter 8, tense forms and uses. First, present tense. Second, past tense. And third, future tense. In this way, according to tense forms and uses, there are three types of tense: present tense, past tense, and future tense. If suppose that you may find any vibration, any suspicion, any doubt, then fluently you are free to inquire with me. You are free every moment within 24 hours. If you may find any vibration, any doubt, then you are free to inquire me any types of question. Here is my contact number. Suppose that if you are about to start or you are reading English and any chapter if you want to read, and if you may find any vibration, if you may find any difficulty, any doubt, any suspicion, then any moment, every moment you are free to inquire me. मैं इंसान वाली लेक्चरर सुभाषी देवी माध्यमिक विद्यालय इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेज इलाहाबाद. माय कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर 9838540132. Second contact number 7565978783. It is my contact number. If you may find any doubt, then please contact me. I will try to understand you in many ways, many different methods until you understand my language. So there are three types of tense. First, present tense, whom you call in Hindi Vartaman Kal. Second tense, past tense, whom you call Bhut Kal. And third, future tense, whom you call भविष्य काल। And after then, in every tense, there are four types of category. Suppose that in present tense, present, indefinite tense, present, continuous tense, present, perfect tense, present, perfect, continuous tense. So in present tense there are four types of tense: present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and after then present perfect continuous tense. And within the same way, past tense, past tense, past, indefinite tense, past, continuous tense, past, perfect tense, past, perfect, continuous tense. In past tense, there are four types of tense: past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. And as this, the same way, in future tense, in future tense, future, indefinite tense, future, continuous tense, future, perfect tense, future, perfect, continuous tense. In this way, you have found 12 types of tense: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. In past tense, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. And in future tense, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. So in this way, term by term, you have to read from present to future. So first of all, you will find in present tense, present indefinite. present indefinite tense. And before reading it, you have to satisfy it that every tense has four sentences. In every tense, you will find four sentences. First, positive or affirmative or assertive. Are simple. The four words is equal: positive, affirmative, assertive, simple. These four words is only one common, whom you call sadharan varya. And second, negative. Third, interrogative. Fourth, interrogative negative. In this way, in every tense, we have to read four types of sentences: positive or affirmative sentence, or assertive or simple, same thing. And second, negative sentence. Third, interrogative sentence. And fourth, at last, interrogative negative. Then you will find in present indefinite tense, positive sentence; present indefinite tense, negative sentence; present indefinite tense, interrogative sentence; present indefinite tense, interrogative sentence. And same like as you will find present continuous tense, positive sentence; present continuous tense, negative sentence; present continuous tense, interrogative sentence; and present continuous tense, interrogative negative sentence. So I hope that you will be understand how many types of tense, how many types of tensive sentence. So I will start present indefinite tense, affirmative sentence, my next video. And till, thank you, many thank you for watching my online class.